Today I'm going to show you how to knit one through the back loop. The abbreviation is K1 TBL and it's going to twist your stitch. So normally when you knit you would go to in the front of your stitch and you would knit it and it won't have a twist in it. But because we need the twist, we're going to go through the back. So the K1 TBL, we go through the back of the knitting stitch and you drop it off your needle and you'll see it's actually twisted the stitch at the bottom. I'll show you that once more. We're not going to go into the front of the stitch as we normally would. We're going to go into the back of that stitch, knit, drop it off the needle, and you'll see it's twisted the stitch. And that is how you do a knit one through the back loop.